OTC here at the 2013 AAPEX show, and what we have here is a cutaway of a Ford 3-valve head. They use the same spark plug configuration on the 5.4, 4.6 Ford 3-valve engines. The problem is, as we're all aware of, is these plugs will break off when they're trying to be removed. Because of the two-piece spark plug design, when you use a regular spark plug, you put all the torque on removing the plug on this part of the spark plug. There are competitive tools out there that take the spark plug out once it's broken, but we've taken the approach of why break it in the first place. So what we've done is we've designed a tool, 6918 is our part number, that removes the spark plug without breaking it. You still want to use some kind of a penetrating oil to get it loosened up. Let it set as long as you can. But the beauty of our tool is that it makes it into a one-piece spark plug design. And how we do that is we have a outer collar that fits the spark plug hex, just like your normal socket does. But the other part that we've designed is a collet similar to what a milling machine would have that fits over the end of the spark plug that the spark plug wire goes on. What you're doing is, as you put this in the head, tighten this collet down around the spark plug. Now you've locked the two together. So as you turn this, you're also turning the porcelain portion too. We have the tube that fits over the spark plug tool. It's the right diameter, so it fits in here tight so you don't get any side load from your ratchet. And as you turn it, now you're removing the whole spark plug assembly and using your torque is evened out through the whole spark plug instead of just on the hex. By doing that, we are able to remove probably 75 to 80% of spark plugs in the head without breaking them. And what we have here is a 6596 OTC part number. It's a disc brake pad measuring gauge. How this works is you can now check how much disc pad material is left without taking the tires off the vehicle to look. It's a tool that has a spring-loaded spokes, so to speak, but this piece here fits up against the face of the rotor. This catches on the back of the brake pad and tells you how much pad is left. I'll show you how it works here. Goes in by the caliper, and right there you have, by releasing it, it tells you how much brake pad is left. And it can do it on the top and the bottom, inboard, outboard side, so you can see if your pads are wearing evenly or not. And retail is less than 25 bucks.